Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term tenor, time and date of payment of a draft stated in one of the following forms. At site, a draft so drawn that it is payable upon presentation to the paying bank, or it could be number of days which should be maintained. At site, the draft is payable a fixed number of days after acceptance, or it could be number of days date. The draft is payable on a certain date, example 30 days from the date of invoice or issuance of other shipping documents. Days site or documents against payment, the term is used in the collection purposes. The draft must be presented for acceptance to the drawee, usually the buyer. Documents can be released only against the payment in full plus charges if need be. These terms are used mainly in Hong Kong area, though it is also applicable in other parts of the world. We are here setting a payment terms, the day when the payment has to take effect, so that there is a clear understanding between the buyer and seller. Possibly every country will have their own process of defining their tenor. Thanks for watching. Bye.